Hello beautiful SMC viewers, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in today's video we're going to be discussing a very interesting feature on the Binance app called the auto invest feature. Now if you launch your Binance app and then you click on more, now when you toggle on more, under the recommended you see auto invest. Now I'd like to say that this auto invest is a very simplified way that Binance has used to help us to maximize our ability to use the dollar cost average system, which is the DCA structure. Now what do I mean by this? Normally you have to do your DCAs by yourself, right? You need to buy your coins, you need to know when to buy them, how to buy them. Sometimes you don't really keep up, but with this auto invest structure, like you can see here, you can create an auto investment system, or let's say DCA strategy, for any single token of your choice here that Binance offers. You can also do for portfolio, which means you can create a portfolio plan. Now this is a very interesting feature on the Binance app because it saves you a lot of stress, because all of this is automated. Once you set the parameters, Binance carries it out automatically for you. Alright, so let's say you want to set a single token investment and want to use BNB, for example. You can see the spot price of BNB is 288, and let's say you click on that arrow and you wish to create a plan for BNB. Now you can use your credit card to buy, or you already have USDT, you can just create a plan. Now you can see down here I have available 197 USDT, and the amount per period I want to use is $10. Now this means that every day by 4 p.m. down here you can see repeat on local time. So every day by 4 p.m. I'm instructing Binance to use $10 to buy BNB on my behalf. Now if I'm okay with this, I just agree to the terms and conditions and confirm. Now once you confirm, the plan scheduled successfully, and you can see the created date, subscription amount, and token that you're subscribing to. Now we can see the plan overview down there, and on that plan overview shows you your portfolio value, your profit and loss of your portfolio. And you can see that if you are in a single coin plan, you can see the coin that you are investing in. You can see the amount of USDT on the right hand side. You can also see down there the total invested USDT and average token price. Now why do they say average token price? Now given the fact that you're going to be buying 10 USDT worth of BNB every day, it's going to be bought at different prices. Now all of these prices will be summed up and then averaged to a particular price, and that's the price you see here in USDT. Now you can choose to edit this, and if you want to edit your parameters, you can choose to pause it, and you see that your auto invest plan will be paused. And if you are happy with this, you click I understand, or you can outrightly remove this. Now if you start this auto invest plan, your purchased crypto will be automatically deposited into your BNB vault account / flexible savings account, so you can earn passive income with your investments. So that's like killing two birds with one stone. So if we are not continuing with this, we just remove it and click I understand. I will go back to the home page. Now that was for single token. So what about portfolio? What if I want to set up like 5 tokens, a 5 token portfolio? Now you click on portfolio, and you can choose to create a portfolio plan, or you select from the preset selections. Now this is the one that Binance feels are the top 5 market cap coins. So like these are the big boys in the market, so Binance feels that you should be interested in these big players. But if you are not interested in this, you can go back and create a plan for yourself. Now you just click on add coins here and select the coins you want to play with. Let's say BNB, BTC, Sol, let's say DOT, ADA. Okay, let's use this 5, and then you confirm. Now this means I want to play with all of this. Now how much do you want to invest in BNB? So let's say I want to do 10% in BNB, I want to do 5% in BNB, I want to do 10% in Sol, I want to do let's say 20 in DOT, and then let's say another 10% in Cardano. Okay, so for BTC the average is 10%, and okay, for ADA the average should be 10 also. Okay, so the sum up allocation is 60% and it must add up to 100. All right, so let's say I need to do this 40 now, or let's say 50. Yeah. All right, so this is how Binance is going to split all of my USDT into these 5 tokens according to the percentage. So let's say I'm using 100. This means out of this $100, $50 will go into Cardano, 20 into DOT, 10 into Solana, 10 into BTC, and 10 into BNB. And this will be done every day at 4 p.m. And if I'm happy with this, I understand and I confirm. Now this shows me the overview of what I have scheduled. I can click on the plan overview and this shows me everything like it showed us in the single coin portfolio. And we can also click here that shows show more details, and then we'll see more details for each of the coins that we are investing in. We can see the total amount invested, holding amount, we can see the average token price, the unrealized gain or loss per token, and the ROI. So this is a very interesting feature, and if we are not interested in doing this, we just click remove and click on I understand, and just go back. So you can see that the auto invest feature is very easy to use. It's a very simple DCA strategy platform, and I think that it was very wise for Binance to incorporate this into the app. So if you're a busy bee and you really do not have time but you have the money, you can just set all of these parameters and allow Binance to do the work for you. So thank you very much for watching this video on how to use auto invest feature. Do leave us comments and let us know if this video has helped you and if you would like to see more videos from us. So until next video, take care.